All right, I ordered these two sets of wheel cribs by RAMPS. So I'm just gonna open them up and start using them. I'm doing some service on my Mitsubishi here. So I'm gonna see how they are. In case you guys are interested in buying them, I bought the two-piece 12-inch set. So I'm assuming it goes like that. Fits right into each other, which is cool. I actually originally bought the 12-inch one piece. I bought these because when I work on my Volvo, it's really difficult to lift it up and put it on jack stands. That's usually what I would do, is I'd lift up the entire vehicle, back end, jack stands, front end, jack stands. So the whole thing is lifted, but it's like, it would take forever on the Volvo. So I bought these because it'll be a little bit easier. But today I'm working Mitsubishi. I'm just gonna use these just to try them out. I got two sets of two. So 4 for the entire vehicle. I originally bought the 12-inch, but I ended up returning them because I wasn't able to lift the vehicle high enough to get the 12-inch under the wheel. With my jack stand, and again, I was working the Volvo. It's a Volvo XC90. The jack stand maxed out. Wasn't high enough for getting the 12-inch single underneath, and with the extension I couldn't get the jack stand under the car when it was on the ground. So I could have figured it out, you know, jerry rig something up, but ultimately I want to use these all the time, so I figured the two-piece 12-inch would be better. I just did the parking brake engaged. Throw some wheel chucks under here. Normally if I was using jack stands on, you know, this vehicle, I would lift the entire front half, put the jack stands under. Today I'm going to kind of emulate what I have to do with my Volvo. That's why I bought these, is for the Volvo. So I'm going to lift up each corner. Lift up this corner, put the 6-inch under, you know, and then do 6 all around, and then go back around and put the other 6 under, and just see how it goes. There's definitely faster ways to do it, but this is the way I'm doing it today. Also, I guess this is kind of a review of the Badlands jack. This 3-ton jack. It's expensive jack, but I bought it because I thought it would be nice to have a nice jack for once. And it is nice. I mean, I'm rolling it around and it's not making any noises, which is cool. Perfect. Make sure it's centered on the wheel. Looks pretty good. Cool. All right, so that's 6 inches up. Then you put a jack extension on. So I guess I'm doing a review of this Badlands jack too. So it comes with this little jack stand. I think you can probably set this at different heights. Yeah, 3 heights. The tallest. So a jack extension. I've never had a jack with one of these before, so it's pretty cool. You can take it on and off. This jack is overkill for all the stuff I do. I pretty much only work in my garage here. This is a, you know, good jack for if you need one outdoors on, like, you know, not pavement, the dirt or gravel. But got it anyway because I thought it would be even nicer in a garage. Put this in here for now. All right, so all 4 wheels are up. You can see how close I am to the garage door opener up there, the motor. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I would suggest getting if you're gonna get the 12-inch, get the 2-piece. It's a little bit more expensive. I wanna say all 4 of these cost me like 600 bucks, so not cheap, but pretty nice, a lot easier. And you can see how much space there is on each side. So I'm not super worried about them falling off the edge. Got a good cradle. I'm still probably gonna use jack stands under the pinch points just for extra safety, but yeah, comment below if you have any questions.